The buy box column displays the current buy box price. If you hover over it, you can see the current seller. You can see if they're eligible for the buy box. You can see the 30, 90, and 100-day average of the buy box highest and lowest price, and the lowest FBA and FBM price for this particular ASIN. If you wish to override the buy box, simply click on the override field. You get a few options here. For example, the max eligible buy box price is the highest price an ASIN can reach before losing the buy box. But if you wish to override it with a different option, you can either use a 30, 90, or 180-day average, or you can use a custom price. As soon as you click on the override and you start typing, automatically goes to the custom price. Notice that there are a lot of ASINs with no buy box. If you wish, you can override all these ASINs in one go by simply clicking on BB Override in the top left corner. You can choose which setting you want, and you can apply it to all the ASINs if you like, or only to the ASINs with no buy box price. Let's apply the 90-day average to every single ASIN with no buy box price. Now, as we scroll down, we can see all the ASINs that had no buy box now have the 90-day average. If there is no 90-day average, then it will remain empty.